Morning, everyone. Do I look a little sun-kissed? I'm in Roatan at the ocean, and I am going to be running this morning, and I thought maybe we could chat a little while I run. And I can tell you how I failed. I thought I was going to say carnivore on this vacation, and I have failed that. I saw Kelly Hogan talk about staying carnivore on her vacation and how she did it. Ken Berry, of course, stays carnivore on his vacations. And even Lillie Kane, who isn't exactly carnivore, but meat-based, her and her husband went on a cruise for their honeymoon and ate great the whole time. So I thought I would try too. I'll show you a shot of my refrigerator that has all the steak and hamburger and butter that I bought. But indeed, guys, I failed at staying carnivore. I'm not mad at myself, but I definitely did it. I have had some sweet potato fries, and then one day I had some regular fries, and what else have I had? I've had all sorts of stuff that I shouldn't have had on my carnivore diet, from French fries to ice cream to some dessert thing. Not all day, every day like I would have in the past, but probably at every meal I had at least one thing that I shouldn't. We have one day left, and I imagine tonight at dinner I'll probably have something that I shouldn't again. I have been very good at breakfast. I just eat a steak or a hamburger patty, but that's about when being completely carnivore ends. And we'll see how it goes. We'll see how next week I'll have to let you know if I have trouble getting when I get back home on being back carnivore. I don't think I will, because I'm not like craving it constantly. But I don't know. We're out with my brother and sister-in-law, and so many tropical things to try that I've just tried them. So maybe you're like me and you're trying to be carnivore. Just don't be too hard on yourself if it doesn't happen while you're on vacation. I'm not going to be hard on myself. I'm not mad, and I think I'll be fine. I've been saying that to myself a lot these days. Not just about carnivore, but about whatever. Like, I'm not mad at myself. I do something, I mess up. I'm not mad at you, Joy. I still love you. We still got this. And I think that helps. It makes me feel better. Okay, so I think my run's fixing to start. I'm doing my pre-run warm-up, and it seems to be a little bit easier to talk when I'm walking rather than running. You guys can see the beautiful ocean and the beautiful dead boats, palm trees, my forehead. All right. Yeah, my face is looking a little red. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to hang up now and go on my run. Just wanted to stop and say I failed at the carnivore diet on vacation. I'm not mad at myself. All right, love y'all. See you later.